Okay, drama classic you forgot was this good? Let's talk about Chicago Typewriter and why it still hits hard. Ghostwriter, reincarnation, 1930s resistance fighters. This drama mixes it all and somehow makes it magical. Yoo Ah In plays a tortured best-selling author haunted by more than just writer's block. There's a ghostwriter, played with heartbreaking charm by Go Kyung Pyo, and a loyal fan-turned-veterinarian Soo Jung, with a past life connection she never saw coming. As their 1930s lives start bleeding into the present, the real story begins, full of sacrifice, love and lost memories. It's a drama that asks, what if your past life still shaped your future? If you love mystery, romance and a story that actually sticks with you, it's time to rewatch Chicago Typewriter. Did you cry at the ending too, or was it just me? Follow for more drama classics worth remembering.